Alright, let's dive into the ultimate guide to running Facebook ads and dominating social media. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to reveal how Facebook ads can work wonders for your business, boosting your reach and sales in no time. Here are some compelling reasons to advertise on Facebook. Build brand awareness. Facebook ads appear spontaneously while users scroll through their feed, unlike Google ads that only show up when users perform searches. Facebook ads' visual appeal garners more clicks and increases customer awareness through emotional marketing. Reach a wide target audience. Facebook's extensive user data, including interests, behaviors, income, languages, and education, allows advertisers to target specific customer segments without wasting their budget. Gain powerful insights. Facebook provides real-time tracking of ad performance metrics, enabling advertisers to understand what works and refine their advertising strategies for future campaigns. Before launching your first ad campaign, you need to set up your Facebook Ads Manager account. For easier navigation, Ads Manager is organized into these structures. 1. Campaigns. This is the starting point of your campaign structure, where you define the objective of your ad. 2. Objectives can include awareness, traffic generation, sales, app promotions, leads, or engagement. 3. Ad sets. This stage involves defining your targeting strategy, specifying the audience you want to reach. 4. You can create multiple ad sets per campaign, each with its own budget. 6. Automated ads. This section appears only if you've created automated ads, which are ideal for beginners or those seeking a simple way to gain exposure. To optimize your system, begin with an overview of Facebook Ads Manager and its key features. Running Facebook ads easy. After creating your Facebook Ads Manager account, select buying type. Decide on the type of buying for your ad campaign. Set an objective. Choose the objective of your campaign, for example, awareness, traffic, sales. Name your campaign. Give your campaign a distinctive name. Choose special ad category. Specify if your ad falls under any special categories. A/B split testing. Opt for A/B testing to compare different ad variations. Set performance goals. Define the performance goals for your campaign. Budget and schedule. Determine your budget and set a schedule for your ads. Ad setup. Set up your ad, choosing the right format and creating the ad content. Monitor performance. Regularly check how your ad is performing. Here are some additional tips on Facebook ads. Facebook ads can appear throughout the app, such as in users' feeds, stories, Messenger, Marketplace, and more. These ads are typically targeted based on demographics, location, and interests, profile information, and online activity. Businesses set an ad budget and bid for each click or 1,000 impressions the ad receives. Facebook ads often resemble regular posts, but always feature a sponsored label to indicate they are ads. They also include additional features like CTA buttons, links, and product catalogs. To increase brand visibility, incorporating ads into your Facebook marketing strategy is essential. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for more info on Facebook ads. Types of Facebook ads. Here are the various types of Facebook ads you can choose from. Image, video, stories, Messenger, carousel, slideshow, collection, playables. These diverse ad formats allow you to select the best type for your business goals. When creating ads, ensure you use the correct sizes and specifications for each format. If you already have a Facebook business page, head to Meta Ads Manager, formerly Facebook Ads Manager, or Business Manager to create your ad campaign. Ads Manager is the primary tool for running ads on Facebook and Messenger, offering a suite for creating ads, managing their placement and timing, and tracking performance. Start creating an ad. Log into Ads Manager and on your dashboard, click the Create button to start a new campaign, ad set, or ad. Select your campaign objective from 6 options aligned with business goals. Awareness. Introduce your brand to a new audience. Traffic. Drive traffic to a web page, app, or Facebook page. Engagement. Find people likely to take specific actions, such as engaging with your business or sending a message. Leads. Get new prospects into your sales funnel via messages, phone calls, or signups. App promotion. Encourage mobile users to install your app or take specific actions within it. Sales. Find people interested in purchasing your product or service. Choose an objective based on your specific goals for the ad. To set up an A/B split test, toggle on the Create A/B Test button to run different versions against each other after publication. Set your budget. Choose between a daily budget, minimum of $1 per day running continuously, and a lifetime budget, running for a specified time period. You can also schedule your budget in advance to increase spending during high traffic times. Target your audience. For ad targeting, you have these main options. Meta's Advantage technology. Enter basic details like age, location, and language, and let Meta automatically find your audience. Manual targeting. Use Facebook's original audience targeting options to build your audience. For beginners, it's recommended to use Meta's Advantage Plus, which generally offers better results for lower costs, about 28% lower average cost per click, lead, or landing page view. Choose your Facebook ad placements. Decide where your ad will appear. You can let Facebook choose automatically with Advantage placements or select manually. If you're new, start with Advantage Plus and later review performance to optimize manually. Ad format. Choose the format that aligns with your campaign objectives. Follow Facebook's prompts and design recommendations based on your chosen ad type to complete your ad creation. Monitor your ad's performance metrics. After launching your ad, use the preview tool to ensure it looks good across all potential placements. When satisfied, click the green Publish button. Once your ad is running, monitor its performance in Ads Manager by tracking key metrics such as results, reach, engagement, video views, and website actions. Alternatively, use Hootsuite's social advertising dashboard for a comprehensive view of your content's performance. This tool allows you to compare performance, manage your budget, and analyze the ROI of each campaign. Additionally, you can integrate digital marketing tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, or Salesforce to consolidate all your sales data in one place. To wrap things up, remember the importance of continuous optimization and monitoring of your Facebook ads. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button for more social media marketing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.